Lecture 5. Working with files and folders in Windows. Hi kids! Today we're going to learn something fun and useful. How to work with files and folders in Windows. This will help you keep your computer organized and find things easily. After learning this lecture, students will be able to create, open, and rename the file. Use different shortcut keys to perform different actions. What is File Explorer? File Explorer is like a big digital toolbox that helps you organize all the files and folders on your computer. It's a built-in app in Windows, and you use it to browse, open, or organize your stuff. Think of it as a digital version of a filing cabinet where everything is stored neatly. Parts of File Explorer. Let's look at the different parts of File Explorer and what they do. Toolbar. This is where you can do quick tasks like copying files, creating new folders, or even starting a slideshow of pictures. Address bar. This bar shows you the folder you are in and lets you jump to another one easily. Back, forward, and up buttons. These help you move between folders you visited, just like flipping pages in a book. Tabs. You can use these to access more options or settings. Navigation pane. This shows you a list of all folders, so you can quickly jump to where you need to go. Search box. If you don't know where your file is, type its name here and it will find it for you. Status bar. This shows how many files are in a folder or how many are selected. Folder list. This displays everything inside a folder. It could be documents, pictures, or even other folders. Working with files and folders. Now, let's learn some important things you can do with files and folders. Open a file or folder. To open something, find the file or folder you want and just double-click on it. That's it. Create a new file. If you want to make something new, right-click anywhere in a folder. From the menu, select New and choose the type of file you want. For example, a Word document or a text file. It's simple. Rename a file or folder. Want to change the name of a file or folder? Right-click on it, select Rename, and type the new name. Hit Enter, and you're done. Move a file or folder. Moving files is like moving books from one shelf to another. Click on the file or folder, hold it, and drag it to where you want. Release the mouse and it's moved. Delete a file or folder. If you don't need a file anymore, right-click on it and choose Delete. It will go to the recycle bin. If you're sure you don't need it, you can empty the bin to delete it forever. Recycle bin, your file safety net. When you delete a file, it doesn't simply disappear immediately. It moves to the recycle bin. Think of it as a temporary trash can. If you accidentally delete something, you can restore it from the recycle bin. But if you're sure you don't need it anymore, you can right-click the bin and select Empty Recycle Bin to delete everything in it permanently. Shortcut keys. Save time and be fast. Here's a list of shortcut keys that will make working on your computer much faster. Ctrl+C. Copy a file. Ctrl+X. Cut a file. Move it somewhere else. Ctrl+V. Paste the file where you want it. Ctrl+A. Select all files in a folder. Shift+Delete. Permanently delete a file. Use this one carefully. Using these keys makes your work super quick and fun. That's it for today, kids. You've learned so many amazing things about files and folders. Now you know how to create, rename, move, delete files, and even use shortcut keys like a pro. You're all set to organize your computer like a true tech master. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be teaching others. Thank you for learning with me today. Great job, everyone!